Morning. Today, another day, actually. Another beautiful day. I need to do the leaves outside and then I'm gonna give the car a wash. So it'll look pretty sexy, nice and gleaming. No more dirt on it. But first, I need some coffee. So I'm gonna get some coffee first. While the coffee perks, it's another beautiful day outside. All right, coffee check. It's so good. All right, let's get this show on the road. I'm just gonna do a hyperlapse, getting rid of all the leaves. It'll be like a minute long. Play some music, maybe some Suicide Boys, maybe a little bit of Harper, you know, those crispy mans. All right, and then we'll get the car going. We'll push the car out and then soap it down. Get it nice and wet.
Yeah, boy.
He wants out as well, don't you? The fucking struggles every morning putting on my shoes.
Caffeine with codeine, I'm smoking nicotine. PCP, pills in my cuisine. I'm fucking Drake this way, wrist dismay. Suicide, renegade. Pop a couple waves up in my grave, carving my skin with a blade. I don't fuck with squillers, no drug dealer. Stealer with the sealer, sick of that always wreck. Bitch get checked, great 5-9 to set. Chopper make 'em wet, watch me flex. Y'all just second best, never second guess. Manifest, triple six till death.
Me ain't my motherfucking true name. If I roll it down, it will combust into a blue flame. Blue gang banging, whole crew slain. Body in the suitcase, polo body bag full of bootlegs. Two-face bitch, sick of duck like your bitch, lay your goose eggs. Two fangs, going got a toothache. Tie me up like a shoestring, let the news hang. Out of my box, I need a new frame. Ruby the cherry, ain't got a pocket full of fruitcake. Bruce Wayne, wonder big, fuck with me, I'll probably give you something free. Honey surrounding around me, cause I'm buzzing like a fucking bumblebee. Most of my raps are fucking tongue-in-cheek. Fungus in my lungs, got the rings from the weed. Another day, another feat. All the fucking dirt, you will find me underneath.
So today is like the perfect day to do a car wash because we're in shade for most of the day today, so I won't get any sunspots, so that's good.
I just wanna
I've been telling them for years, I don't think that I pay no mind, cause it's people that don't get me, yeah. 217, no groom, doing raise my brain the same, catch me on the set. 6 boys in a 5-seater, no red Joe, but you know we got the drinks on there. Cruise past paddy wagons, everybody be cool, cause they haven't left the area, yeah. Yeah, that's my cousin, that's my birdie, that's my best friend, that's my G. If we up to no good and they ask me about it, I can't see. Put me on the stand so I can take that oath and swear to Christ. God already knows what I'm like, so I just might tell that lie. Cruising round till we get in strife. On repeat, yeah, we pumping scribe. Not many if any. I know a couple motherfuckers not ready. These are the days that I could never trade for nothing. We just young and dumb, hustling, always getting into something. Hold up. We stand in center stage, spotlight. We go from night to day. Alright, we vibing off away, but I might pull up to the spot with like 50 on my God. I just wanna feel something, yeah. I just wanna feel something, yeah. Pour it in a cup, we spill something, yeah. That day is my blood, we fear nothing, yeah. Remember we were little brothers listening while the big homies talk. Now that we the big homies, calling shots like the boss. And we were area famous, black and white like the Raiders. Just for kicks we used to cover power lines with our trainers. Now he ho, just see my neighbor, he said I look like a stranger. We used to post on the lawn and pump out tunes to the dawn. Burn thugs and harmonies, 1999 all their songs. Then we would hit up the party, who get it started. We had the everyone acting retarded. Who got the hardest, cause I just got it from now. I'm swimming in this world of bliss. And I really can't feel my lips.
So you guys, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Next video we will be doing, we're going to be taking off the fenders. I want to see what it looks like without the fender flares on, as well as taking off the bonnet lift off. I don't think that looks pretty good. Also thinking about taking off the wing as well, off the rear, just to see what it looks like, kind of as bone stock as I can get it. And then yeah, we'll see what it looks like. I hope you guys stay tuned for that one. It should be coming up in a week or so. So I'll see you guys then. Peace out. Bye.